Tonight, the city of Amarillo and local hospitals are getting ready to talk about the treatment available and medical procedures for Ebola. This comes after the first confirmation of the disease just hours away in Dallas.
Hospitals and city departments will have the meeting this week to discuss what procedures are in place and what to watch out for. Pro News 7's Natalie Granda joins us now. Natalie?
Lisa, Larry, Ebola has reached the U.S. and the first case was confirmed just hours away from here. We broke the news about the case yesterday, but today city departments and hospitals are speaking out about how they're getting ready if the disease reaches the panhandle and how to stay safe.
The first case of Ebola has been confirmed in the United States.
After news broke of a confirmed Ebola case in Dallas, there was growing concern for public health. The Amarillo Department of Public Health says since the news broke out about the Ebola case, they've been sending out information they've been receiving to local hospitals and even city departments like OES and the fire department.
We have those systems in place to be able to care for our patients, and so the risk for Ebola is again much less than in other countries.
A local doctor specializing in infectious diseases says Ebola is a viral illness that originated in Africa. Symptoms can start off like the flu.
Typically starts off with fever and body aches,
but can develop into something much worse.
Organ dysfunction like have kidney shutdown, liver shutdown, and can eventually lead to death.
We headed over to BSA to talk about what they're planning. Mary Barlow with BSA says they will have a meeting this week to discuss the signs of Ebola and the procedures when dealing with a patient who might have the disease.
To be sure and ask them, have they traveled to any of the 4 countries on the African continent that are involved in the Ebola epidemic.
And as for the employees, they will make sure they're taken care of as well.
A most important item on the agenda is the personal protective equipment that the staff will wear if a patient presents with Ebola type symptoms.
Local doctors and public health say residents don't have to worry yet.
Patient has to be sick or symptomatic with Ebola before they're contagious.
But there is not yet a cure.
The treatment for it is really supportive care.
The public health department and local doctors say good hand washing and avoiding contact with bodily fluids are some ways to help lower the risk of contracting the disease. To read more about the preventative measures and symptoms to watch out for, read the full story on our website at connectamarillo.com. From the Kennedy Broadcast Center, I'm Natalie Granda, Pro News 7.